Referrals from satisfied clients are like golden invitations to new business opportunities in the freelance world. When a client is truly pleased with your work, they become your advocates, spreading the word about your skills to prospective clients. This often results in a constant stream of high-quality, high-paying gigs, enabling you to take on projects that resonate with your expertise and interests. Establishing strong relationships with clients is key to generating meaningful referrals. It begins with exceptional service that leaves an impression. This goes beyond completing tasks accurately. It includes understanding the client's needs, maintaining effective communication, and delivering work on time. Each interaction could potentially turn a one-off task into a long-term partnership, or a referral to someone who needs your expertise. Thus, nurturing client relationships fosters an environment ripe for new opportunities. Once you have successfully established a network of satisfied clients, encourage them to share their positive experiences. Don't hesitate to ask for referrals. Often, clients appreciate when you express your interest in growing your business through their recommendations. A simple request can remind them of your value and prompt them to think of other businesses that could benefit from your services. When a satisfied client refers you to another, it carries more weight than traditional marketing, as it is based on trust and proven success. Additionally, consider offering incentives for referrals. This could be a discount on future services for the referring client or a small thank you gift. Such gestures reinforce a sense of appreciation and motivate clients to recommend you to others. As the word spreads, your client base will diversify, and you'll likely find yourself securing projects with better compensation and terms. Always follow up with clients who have given you referrals. Thank them personally and keep them in the loop regarding the outcomes of any introductions they've made. By showing gratitude and sharing successes, you reinforce a positive relationship that encourages further referrals in the future. Ultimately, satisfied clients can be your most powerful marketing tool, providing a pathway to a flourishing freelance career where quality work aligns with high payments.